Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm doing a video on me installing this braided wig I got from Braids Queen. They sent me this beautiful braided wig. Like, I'm just feeling like a real goddess with this wig on, baby. It is so freaking cute. It's so freaking cute. But yes, they sent me this wig, and I'm gonna have all the details to this wig in the description box below. Also, I do have a discount code for you guys. It's Alishia10, and you can save some money off on your purchase if you do want to buy this wig from them, which I do recommend because it is so cute. I was so skeptical about this wig when they said they wanted to send it to me. I was just like, first of all, I haven't wore braids like this in so long. I can't even tell you the last time I wore braids like this. Like, it reminds me of something my mom would do to my head. But anyway, so I was so like, but yes, go ahead, send me that, send me that. And I'm so glad I did because it is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So yes, I will have all the details to this wig, all the information from Braids Queen also in the description box, their Instagram, all their handles down there, and a link directly to where you can find this wig. Oh my gosh, y'all, I think it's so cute. Anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures today. But yes, if you want to see me install this wig, just continue to watch. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Baby, if you made it this, it ain't even that far in the video. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, ring that bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, and share this video with any and everybody you want to. You know, it really don't matter. Just go ahead and share the video, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let's go get started. All right, I'm all done installing this wig. It is so gorgeous. It's so pretty, you guys. Honestly, I just wasn't ready. Honestly, I just really wasn't ready. I really wasn't ready. But anyway, all the details to this wig will be in the description box. Make sure you guys go look at those wigs. Use my discount code. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.